Today, I'm going to cook stir-fry chicken vermicelli noodles. The ingredients are garlic, onion, celery, boiled chicken, carrots, napa cabbage, pepper, vermicelli, oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, and chicken broth. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm gonna turn on the stove to high. And put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and let it heat up. Then I'm gonna turn on that fan. It's ready. Add the onions. I always add the onion first before the garlic because garlic gets easily burned. Let it cook for a while until onion is transparent, and then add the chicken, celery, carrots, and stir. Just stir until everything is mixed. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix. You can also add a gluten-free soy sauce. Ground pepper, 1 teaspoon. Give it a stir. At this moment, the heat is high. Add the chicken broth, like half of the box, and I also add like 1 glass of water. At this time, I'm gonna put up the heat and let it boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to add the vermicelli. I don't pre-soak my vermicelli because when I pre-soak it, it gets soggy. Pre-soaking doesn't work for me. The vermicelli that I use is made from mungbean, so that is gluten-free. So we'll mix everything together until the noodles are soft. The noodles are soft enough, so I'm ready to put the cabbage. I add the cabbage and mix them together. I turn off the stove because the remaining heat is enough to cook the greens. So I'm just gonna mix them together until the greens get wilted. Our stir-fry vermicelli is ready. Quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.